Hey guys, today we are going to be learning how to draw a 3D crystal cluster. To start off my crystal cluster, I'm going to draw the tops of 3 crystals. I'm going to space out all 3 tops. I'm going to decide where the bottom center of my crystal will be and make a little point, and then draw lines like arrows down to that point. Now I'm going to draw the bottoms, and I'm going to do like arrows, but a little bit smaller for the bottom, and then connect from the top to the bottom of those arrows. I'm going to repeat this for all 3, drawing a small arrow on the bottom and connecting the lines from top to bottom. Because the middle crystal is behind the others, I'm just going to draw the lines to the edges where they would meet. Next, to make my crystals look 3D, I'm going to go between these 2 points and go down a little, and then make a downwards arrow angle on each of my 3 crystals. Again, going between these 2 points and going down a little, I'm going to make a downwards arrow to complete them. Now I'm going to add a little base to my crystals. So I'm going to create kind of a curvy line here that goes a little bit around it. And to make it look 3D, I'm going to add an edge down along each of the curves. On the other side as well on this curve and here. Then I'll follow the line above it to create the curves to have my 3-dimensional edge. Next, I'm going to use a variety of blues to color in my crystals. Starting with my darkest blue, I'm coloring the same part of all 3 sides with the same blues. Notice that I used a darker shade for the top triangles and a slightly lighter royal blue for the left edge of all crystals. I'm going to go lighter on the right hand side because that's where the light is hitting my crystals. So using a lighter shade for the top of all 3, I'm finishing off with the lightest shade for the right side of all of my crystals. For the base, I'm going to go back in with a lighter shade for the top of it and finish off with a dark blue for the bottom edge. To really make my crystals shine, I'm going to use a white paint pen to add some streaks here and there. And there we have our 3D crystal cluster. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.